Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Now today I actually got in a few days ago now, a package from Ulta that I ordered back in May, like the 5th of May. Now, it came, but from what I can tell, the items are a little crushed. I'm not blaming Ulta, it's shipping stuff. It took her a month to get here. Shipping's slow nowadays, you know? But let's get into this, shall we? Now, the first thing I got, it was on sale, is a Kylie lip kit. See, crushed right there. But it's in the shade 20. It's more of a brownish tone, like a bricky tone almost. But I got that. It's just the matte one. Next thing I got was a Colourpop lippy stick in the shade Topanga. Focus, please. In the shade Topanga. Next, I got the, well, it's still labeled Kjpbeauty, but we know how things are going with that brand. In the OG Lolita lipstick, well, OG Lolita Studded Kiss lipstick, but this one's packaged not too bad. And last but not least, we have the Colourpop Brow Boss in Auburn, because my hair, it's hard to tell in this lighting, but my hair is actually more of a naturally a reddish auburn color, and my eyebrows are actually naturally a lot darker than my hair color. So a lot of people think I dye my hair, but I do not. I get my darker eyebrows from my dad. But I have some brow product on right now, so it looks a little better than usual. But my eyebrows are naturally a lot darker than my hair, so I decided to get this Brow Boss in the shade Auburn. So let's get to swatching these. Let's see. Okay, it's sort of open from the box. It's a little odd, but got this shade Auburn. Come on. And I broke it, of course. But it's just the Auburn shade. Should look a lot better on my brows than, or should look better at making my brows look a little close to my actual hair color. And this spoolie cap just won't stay on very much. Next we have, for the swatching, is the Topanga lippy stick. And let's see, Topanga lippy stick. Very creamy, definitely a color I wear. Next we have the OG Lolita from Kjpbeauty, or whatever they're called now. This one literally says Kjpbeauty on it, so that's what I'm calling it. But it's the Studded Kiss. How do I open these ones? All these weird lipstick tubes, you can never figure out how to open them. But there it is. Sorry if you can hear some noise in the background. I do not know what that is. I believe my dad's working on something. But right there is the Lolita. And last but not least, we have the Kylie kit for 20. liner first. And then the actual liquid lipstick. Definitely a color that I'd wear. And that, so if you like this video, YouTube should suggest some more videos right here. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time. Tell me what you want to watch next.